I'm Anil Kumar, and here is an example to find limit using rationalization. The question is, evaluate limit of the function 2 minus square root of 4 plus x divided by x, where x approaches 0. So if I substitute 0 for x, what do I get? I get 2 minus square root of 4 plus 0 divided by 0, which is 2 minus square root of 4 is 2. So 2 minus 2 equals to 0. So we get 0 over 0. So whenever you get 0 over 0, there is a possibility of finding a valid value for the limit, right? Now, we need to apply different methods to solve such a question. As you know, whenever there is a square root, rationalization is a good method. So rationalization will be done. You can pause the video, do rationalization, solve the question, and then look into my solution. So that's an indeterminate form, right? 0 over 0. So let's begin by rationalizing. So we have limit x approaches 0 for the function 2 minus square root of 4 plus x divided by x. To rationalize, we have to multiply and divide by the conjugate of the numerator. We are rationalizing the numerator in this particular case. So we get 2 plus square root of 4 plus x in both numerator and denominator. So now we can expand the numerator. Do not expand the denominator. So it's like a minus b times a plus b. So you get a square, which is 2 square minus square of 4 plus x, right? Square divided by x times all this, 2 plus square root of 4 plus x. Now this gives us limit x approaches 0. 2 square is 4 minus this means 4 plus x divided by x, 2 plus square root of 4 plus x, and that is equal to limit x approaches 0. In the numerator, 4 minus 4 is 0, and minus plus x gives us minus x divided by x times 2 plus square root of 4 plus x, right? Now we can cancel out x, and then write down simplified form of this particular limit. So we have equals to limit x approaches 0 minus x and x cancel, so we get minus 1 in the numerator, and denominator is 2 plus square root of 4 plus x, correct? That gives us limit x approaches 0 minus 1 over 2 plus. Now since we can now actually at this stage substitute 0 here. I could have done it. Let me do it in the next step, right? So this was not really required. Now we'll substitute 0 here, so we get minus 1 over 2 plus square root of 4 plus 0, which is minus 1 over 2 plus square root of 4 is 2. So the answer is minus 1 over 4, right? So the limit of this function as x approaches 0 is minus 1 over 4, correct? So whenever you rationalize, you get difference of squares, you get rid of this radical part. And when you simplify, we do get a common factor in numerator and denominator that cancels out. So that was causing 0 over 0 situation. Now you can substitute 0 for x and find your answer. That is how it should be done. I hope the steps are clear. Thank you and all the best.